You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
Is Korea's semiconductor corridor the right moment and market to enter? And which regulatory or infrastructure changes shift that calculus? Consider the signals. The government planted a startup campus directly inside a major semiconductor manufacturing cluster.
Yeah.
Foreign founder visas hit 594, already beating all of 2025. Down south, Busan's Fintech hub hit 147.6 billion won, roughly 106 million USD in revenue. Meanwhile, Amazon predicts commercial quantum computers in 5 to 7 years. It's Sunday, June 21st. Let's look at what this means for startups and entrepreneurs in Korea. So let's unpack this geographic shift from Seoul down to Asan.
Yeah.
Because if you're an international founder listening to this, you probably think of the Seoul as your only viable landing pad.
Right, exactly.
I mean, I always imagine it's like trying to launch a tech company in the U.S. without touching, Silicon Valley. It just sounds totally counterintuitive.
That's it.
But we are seeing so much capital and gravity moving down the Chungcheong corridor right now. So I have to ask, is Asan explicitly trying to replicate Taiwan's Hsinchu Science Park model, making the semiconductor supply chain the ultimate entry point for foreign founders?
Well, foreign startup visa holders reached 594 as of April 2026.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, and hashtag CoSPI listed tech giant SK Hynix committed 19 trillion won, or 13.6 billion USD, to its PNT7 advanced packaging plant.
Right.
And down south, 143.6 billion won, roughly 103 million USD, marks the cumulative investment raised by Busan Fintech hub companies, up 150% year on year.
Wait, really? Because 32% of graduating Busan Fintech hub companies achieved revenue growth of 10 times or more.
That's incredible. And SoftSquared's launch of Gritzy Observer connects Japanese firms to Korean talent remotely today.
Right. Plus, Amazon's 5 to 7 year commercial quantum computing timeline places Korea's manufacturing base into the quantum supply chain conversation immediately.
Korea's global startup campus directly lowers the barrier to entering the ecosystem by centralizing visas, legal setup, and corporate introductions for international founders.
And the regulatory infrastructure to onboard these founders is scaling incredibly fast, as foreign visa holders already hit a record 594 this year.
So for entrepreneurs in semiconductor design, advanced packaging software, or AI inference, the sector's entry timing is best right now before these regional hubs reach critical mass.
Right.
As Amazon and Google's quantum commercialization timelines converge on a 5-year window, which Korean manufacturing partners will secure early access, and how will that dictate the next decade of hardware monopolies?
That's today's AI PRISM, Founders. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. The AI PRISM is a WAN-IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.